Summarization is the process of condensing a longer piece of text or content into a shorter, coherent version while retaining its essential information and meaning. And why is summarization important? Text summarization is crucial for condensing information and distilling key points from lengthy documents. Effective summarization can save time and provide quick insights, whether for research papers, news articles, or business reports. There are two types of summarization: extractive summarization, which is created by selecting and extracting sentences directly from the original text. The sentences are selected based on their importance, and it does not generate new sentences. Instead, it relies on existing content. The other type is abstractive summarization, which generates a summary that may or may not include sentences from the original text. It rephrases and condenses the content and generates more human like context, which requires deeper understanding of the text. The GPT model uses abstractive summarization, which is good because summarization is very time consuming for a human being, but it's a snap with an LLM. For summarization, there are three steps to take. You prepare the text, you utilize the OpenAI API for summarization, and review and fine tune. And as mentioned, these are the same steps for the other practical applications that I will show you during this module, though I will not show the steps for the other cases. Having said that, let me show you summarization with a demo. Here's the demo that I have prepared. It's called Text Summarization. And this demo, just like the other upcoming demos, are going to start in pretty much the same way. First of all, it assumes that the OpenAI library is installed. It imports it as well as OS. Then it's going to get the key, and I'm going to use this same function for all practical applications. It basically just makes a call to the OpenAI API, to the chat completions endpoint, and it uses the GPT 3.5 Turbo model. The role is user, and the content is the prompt that I'm going to show you below. First of all, this is the text that it's going to summarize. It's a rather lengthy text on why electric vehicles are the future. Now, this is the prompt. You will be provided with an input text delimited by 3 hashes, and your task will be to summarize it into a single paragraph. This is so easy to explain with words, but it's so hard to do in coding. And the input text is going to go down here. Okay, so I execute, and now I make the call. It takes just a few moments, and a summary is generated in a single paragraph. As you can see, the original text is almost 3,000 words in length, and the summary is less than a third. It worked really well. And if you read the generated summary, it is a very good summary. Also, as I mentioned in a previous module, you can also modify the desired length. So for example, instead of a paragraph, I can say a single tweet. I execute, and now the new summary would fit comfortably in one tweet. And there it is. That's how easy it is to perform text summarization using the OpenAI API.